Right, it is 6 a.m. and we are on the Theodore Trail. We've both done this a few times on our own, but first time together and first time doing it as a sunrise hike, which is something that we've both been talking about for a while. So I'm so excited to get up there. This mountain is a very special place. It's by far from the highest point we have here in Nova Scotia, but as far as like a very distinct pointed peak, you'd be hard pressed to find a place that feels more like a mountain than this.